Reasons why you lost your boyfriend and how to get him back. Yeah, the feeling of getting dumped sucks. There's no question about that. Sometimes, you can go crazy thinking about all the things that went wrong in your relationship. But the bottom of the line is, the reason why your relationship ended is because your boyfriend has lost attraction for you. No, it wasn't because you left your dirty laundry around the house or that it's him, not you, it's because the foundation of his attraction for you faded, and it's your fault. There are ways you can re-attract your boyfriend, and I'll get to that in a second, but you have to first understand why he dumped you. Only then will you know how you can get him back. This is what I like to call the 6 deadly relationship sins. Now, I'm not saying that you committed all of these mistakes, but chances are you probably exhibited at least one of these characteristics that pretty much forced your boyfriend to leave you, even if he's claimed that he left you for another reason. The first deadly sin is a common problem that over half of women have in their relationships, and that's being way too controlling. Men are repelled by women that put unrealistic restraints on their lives. Though asserting your dominance in a relationship is important, you have to know exactly when enough is enough. If you don't, then don't be surprised that your boyfriend or husband left you. The second deadly sin is a bit of a weird one, but always seeking external validity from your boyfriend is a huge attraction breaker. What does that mean? It means that you constantly seek out your boyfriend's approval. Asking questions like, do you love me? Do I look fat in this dress? Did you have a good time? Repel men. It's like saying to him that you aren't confident enough or good enough. And this reeks of insecurity. The third deadly sin is being jealous all the time. Were you jealous that he was flirting with other girls? Maybe he was hanging out with a female friend that you felt a little suspicious about. Well, if you did exhibit this emotion, then again, don't be surprised that your boyfriend lost some attraction for you. Jealousy is the ultimate form of insecurity. So now that you know only some of the relationship killers, how do you go about re-attracting your boyfriend? Well, it starts with employing some of my most powerful psychological techniques. Yes, even if things seem completely hopeless right now, you can get him back if you know what you're doing. Let me first introduce myself. My name is Brad Browning and I am known as the Relationship Geek. I've been helping thousands of women across the globe win back their ex-boyfriends. My success rate is over 90%. Even if you think your relationship with your ex-boyfriend is completely torn, I can bet you there is a way to make him fall hopelessly in love with you again, or at least give you a second chance. You see, what a lot of women do when they get dumped is they start begging and pleading. They ask for forgiveness and start begging for second chances. They say sorry and just give me another chance time after time. If you're guilty of one of these mistakes, then you better start listening to my advice. Because chances are you're doing something right now that is pushing your ex further and further away, and into the arms of another girl. So do yourself a favor and check out my free video. In it, I'll tell you exactly how you can get your ex-boyfriend back as soon as possible. And I'll go over some other deadly sins as well. But you better check out this video quickly because it's literally so popular that I'm going broke just paying all the web hosting bills. Click the link in the description below to watch it right now.